Hi everyone, I'm Akila. In this video, let us see how to implement the conditional formatting based on a measure. Here is a requirement where for each country they want this color code. So here is a matrix which has country and for each segment the total units sold. So they want to color code the entire row based on this requirements table. Let us write a measure and implement this. Let me add a measure. I'm naming this as country format equals. I'm writing a switch case, calling the expression as true. And now I need to check the value of financial country column. Based on that value, I need to return a color code. So I'm calling max of financials country. Whenever this max value means for each row, for a particular row, when it is Canada, please return red. Enter. I'm copy pasting this. When it is France, please return white, means no color coding. When it is Germany, as we will be using this measure in conditional formatting, please make sure you return a proper return type, a valid return type. We can use the color name or in a text format, a RED, or we can even return a color code here. Mexico, it is green. United States of America, it is blue. These colors, I think it's based on their national colors. So that's why they want to color code with this. Okay. Enter. Okay, they are expecting a third argument in the switch case. See, these are expressions and values, right? There is a default color, white. Fine. Now let me select this matrix under visualization for this quantity. Let me assign this as a background color, format style as field value, select the measure which we have created, country format. Click OK. See, in the focus mode, you can see based on the requirement, we have color coded each row using the measure. Hope this is useful. Thank you.